Obahi bebre ano pokuare no mawa no asante kotoko no no so ne ebedi akon aboaboa ho etuo ne to na sakra aboa nkwa ye de etiri beto asem ne frititio efrititio odmankoma ade no yamfa anto de da na efrato odmankoma ba ade oba asante kotoko kofo okon afrana nanom ye kon anu ohye Kotoko jemi bi okunfo ne ye ekun bia ebedi na nti asie wom asante kotoko no no edina nkrofo ti di eti pimpim konfo hu bi bia mfa ni timpim duem ahempo asante kotoko boafo akon na na sa etu no no aye kunumado aje aye kugu aferi o anasa wa be kunim benu o I couldn't I nana said to bring ponya and I saw up me down in equal.
Accordingly, advise the Koba Jesse Supremo and also advise the elders to fully support him if he's given the opportunity to swear. And now, Asante has given the green light for the oath swearing process to begin. The chiefs will take time to swear oath of allegiance to Asante between 462.
Ubo di a de so e lo ko bu ade ifiri abumada asantiya many asante fo a wo fo na de ha chiamo another juma me na na e wo fo di ye e ma asante ma ko so ye kra bebe e na de na be so so e de so a de so ye chie na ni jana na na ni asabo se me ya sauti sauce me ya enfant na la frama no pa o frama wia o frama na do promo hapa ni slow to o frama slow go eba sa me da chi ele tena na to na pra ni efia da pia kono pa chi o na abi ka pia paso
This is the Ibrahim, the right wing. Maybe I'm willing, I'm pure. Many people are sentiment who in Pakistan. Les sœurs du Gallier, c'est maintenant Jesse Supremo, le chief, le leader par mingi ni mata na mama kutupa The Yamisho Bobwam, a dear baby, a pretty Sir, the time that she more Mirror of that and a pack, and we are not in break, another joke. Now, the time that she more the turn a long time. Can we clap for him?
So we are no here, Nana, affiliate. What can't continue to see? You do one.
This is Jocelyn, the chief of staff.
Are you proper or say I'm one me? I feel soon if I hear another good your tosu in a night you are ebony. I feel soon for one henny, and not to say one thing in the enemy. Send a day, Finland as a man and such as in Henia or some pa, Madame. Enemy you are on the song. Another who we are fit, a tossing and son. Never be able to for if I'm never soon a Santa Man, a crew. Said I'm not to the South Red Alapa. And you real, and I do a lepo. Said I'm to South Red Alapa. The two, if you are not done, you will be standing here.
Also, when I offense what mine, Nana Buka, one of the baby. When I know some power, also an offense of mine, Nana fact and both a friend offense of what mine. And then I have crab here or Santomano. Which Nahasa and Rantia, and another Jessie Freeland as Santomine. Some of them are Santomine fan and to my pen. Oh, good, Popo, you say, I guess. So, enough friend, I read and rap about. So, my man and the diamond, the Tigana, the top hand theatre.
That is the Rantia. He is in charge of all the youth. Rantia. And the next person is Goswami, development chief.
Midday, opportunity, Martin. Breakthrough Nana Nene. Menanani, Nana, a job room, Afrani, a Josephine. Said Nana, you say, Mimayan Coswamian. A foot for Kakra, and none of German, left what I'm never paying. Now, Miss Fine said, I'm not part of a number. Nana Femina the time. Me dani beti chilena, matuna na afrani if you are enter.
Piao. Nkoswa hene. Nana 20 upon chairman.
Do you go?
Nana 20 in a echo.
Your friend or say Kofi Jima. Me free. Asante Mampenase AFR. Menanani or local Brahman, the two hene. Tra Binkum hene, Nenana enemy. Mijana said, I don't think hene, Emma, Asante Maiko, I was na Jumedia Nana, and then Penny for the assembly say, Nijitum. Na meye biye ama Asante Mai a Finland afa na ntoma pa Efra na se na nane mpanyimfo to mo safreme na the time echi ehwe omo na enye yare ana owu a me nhwe a me to na ene efiela enta
Piao.
The Bruno Suchidon, the defense,
Minister for Defense has also sworn to be Lawyer.
The friend of Pan or Focus and Qua, the professor of war. Nana, open me away in a way. Making the prayer, my son, about making of the park. Actually, I'm an Bibia apostle. Or frame and a Joe, the soul, Manameba. Nana said, "That is teaching them. It's not one of them."
Chidonhene has also pledged to support Ekoba Supremo Desijima at all times, no matter the circumstance, unless he is sick, whether rain or shine. Now is the time of Ekoba Supremo Desijima. Asantefo Ketefo we are trying to make us Asantefo in Prekope. All the chiefs, elders, and the queen mothers have come to support Ekoba Supremo Desijima as is about to swear the oath of allegiance to Asante.
So again, we did a Ekoba Supremo Desijima.
Wase anka owaje won poha euros naso won fa share nasi
Desijima has indicated to Asante that his true name shall be Ekoba Supremo Desijima.
Ekoba Supremo Desijima meeting going this year, Bridge Over. Nana Amufa Anochi, going country, Nana Neme. Nana Kofi Anochi, Bresiama, Toronto, Asante Hene, Nana Neme. Or Heneba for your Afudo, or 2 for Asan for Hene, Emianeme. Menana. Enemy almost so power when this man Santimine, Emma Santimaya Santimine, Ma Santimaya Corno, improve Maso, and no enemy after me will have the better was. Well, Nana made a no crack, enemy see baby as Santimine enemy. Well, many are important to be good. So it is your check. Well, as Santimine from Anopa, every year, and you may import the Suma, and I'm ever. Misaya na misaya ya ya. Sama fa no kra ni mesi anya santima ani mu a to to.
chief of Asanteman in Finland, as well as the Otumfuo himself. Everybody is clad in black. Now what this means is that until we have a chief, what it means is that we are in a kind of distress because we have no leader. And so we are mourning. And that's why we are in black. Now that Finland, Asanteman, has been given a chief, we are excited. And so the leaders have changed into a cloth that symbolizes merrymaking. They are all in white now. They will proceed accordingly to thank Asanteman for the honor and the opportunity given to Nana Ekoba Supremo Desijima to serve Asanteman Finland and to serve Asante Kingdom. So the chiefs and elders of Asanteman, together with Ekoba Supremo Nana Jesse, shall proceed now to Kete. Praise. Can you proceed?
Whatever. You know, every adansi at the fair far. And I'm not out of 2 minutes. But they are my end. It is all here who said, you 8 years from 8 years ago. I'm into Nana in a penny for. Say, Yaba, I did why I made Yaba never does.
The two French Yoga, Madame, Sadia, Madishia, Essierbo, was a dear Wayamo, you be that. And when you say, before you go in man, Sabi Asida, Anna, now just as you want a bar, a woman just is in Premoni, and be sure taking an animal, be Babylon. Madame was a kind of hodia. Madame, a kind of home, I go to Moba, a bit.
You near throw you. The sub imperial. Obia wonim nga no wontomra nka nana ade papa wa ya maye ni ade papa wa ya maye no o se ke ebe ya hye na so seven pedesa ya ja ku jefie asa na yeba ntimesrew enye se bia ye de sapan ena eba ye
Dewra said ya wati ero no o se ka be ka gwa pa o hwe bia na so bibia no wa wudi bibia de wo madaja anu tino Pino Sabia Sida so na bia ka de o na no se de guo ma e be bibia. What's what? That's Ewura, that's it. That's it.
As on behalf of, as soon on behalf of all the chiefs,
Any Mumra, Becky.
to show appreciation to
Go
Asante.
to us, so. Manka, yeah. Masi, Montua, so.
Which area I'm going to have a bomb time.
Na ega si wodia wono wo hima wo nsa mpaboa na ebo mudra uyi na tie chie montia wodia de tam na ega si so mpaboa na ebo mudra ni fa no na wo yi na wo tie chie na hima wada ma betire ba o so mo ba empedisa elinya de betire nya eti aya Denmark sabi de sibaba wa de de sie no so na piramo odimu bi waso ya sidade bi ibra aya Denmark sabi Denmark esrawo mu na bu papoa na de ye nye obi bi esrawo mu ye ju bi bi a ntimi gukuru ma esrawo mu oh yeah na Denmark so Asante foro o so
Il faut te bomber.
All the chiefs and elders are supposed to remove their sandals as a sign of respect. To the stool of Asante.
Now we should come over here. Okay.
Now, as the chiefs take their seats, we shall invite Apostle Edmond appear to give a short prayer.